Hi everyone, in front of me I've got FREEYOND M6 and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the apps section. As you can see, it is almost at the very top. So let's tap on it. Now we have to tap on see all 35 apps, of course 35 only in my case. And now tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Here let's tap on reset app preferences, and here your device will inform you what it will actually reset. So among others, disabled app notifications, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps, and basically this is it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.